Unity Cup Final, Nigeria versus Jamaica, and the wealth debate that came with it. The Unity Cup Final is tomorrow, and the battle between Nigeria and Jamaica is heating up, not just on the field, but across social media. Honestly, the Super Eagles might have a slight advantage over the Reggae Boyz. Their squad depth, tactical strength, and history in big tournaments give them the edge. Mean a lie. But hey, the ball is round, anything can happen, and I'm rooting for the black, green, and gold all the way. Yet, while we gear up for the match, some Nigerians online have been throwing jabs at Jamaicans, saying, "Does Jamaica even has a football team? Jamaica is so poor compared to Nigeria. Nigeria is richer than Jamaica. Hey Nigerians, don't get me started. What does wealth actually mean? If we're talking total economy size, Nigeria wins by sheer numbers. It's Africa's largest economy with a GDP of $477.39 billion, while Jamaica's economy sits at $19.3 billion. No argument there. But that wealth is spread thin across a huge population, and all of it is concentrated at the top. Therefore, many Nigerians still live in poverty. When you look at wealth per person, Jamaica comes out ahead. The GDP per capita, that is, the average income per person, is $6,802 for Jamaica, while Nigeria's is $823. So, while Nigeria has more money overall, Jamaicans earn more on average and have a higher standard of living per individual. And here's another key point many don't realize: currency value. Right now, 1 USD equals 1,500 Nigerian Naira, while 1 USD equals 155 Jamaican dollars. That means you need nearly 10 times more Naira than Jamaican dollars to get the same amount of US dollars. While Nigeria is oil-rich, the Naira is severely devalued and inflation is sky-high, over 23% compared to Jamaica's single-digit rate. So, Nigeria has oil so much that its citizens use a gallon to fry chicken. So, yes, we know that you are the oily people. Nigeria might be a big economy, Jamaica is better managed. A lot of African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Angola, DR Congo, and others are blessed with natural resources, oil, diamonds, gold, etc. So people assume they must be rich. Not one backside. Many of these countries suffer from resource curse. The truth is, Africa is full of wealth under the ground, but wealth in a people life, that's a different story.